Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Polestar TRX, and I think this is my first Polestar casting if I'm not wrong. So okay, this is coming at a peak pursuit. Okay, this is by Hotwheels. This is a new casting for 2025. Let's open it. This actually feels a bit heavy, so I want to see how this one actually feels in hand without the box or the blister. Okay, here is the card art. So here is the casting itself. So honestly, out of the box, the casting looks really beautiful, and you can see the lettering Polestar here, and you can even see the interior here. That looks really good. You can see the surfing board here. This looks more cyberpunk kind of thing. So 0102. The paint job is really nice on this one. It's a mild glittery metallic silver, and you can see that this is actually headlight detailing here, the whited out ones. That is really good. I mean, they bother to put headlight details on this one where they know the edge is sharp, but not for the other ones. So it even has a tail light detailing to it. That looks really good. It is not, I mean, it is not proper, but it is there. Okay, because we are not going to look in that minute way. Okay, the rims are really nice. It is massive and it looks really good in this particular casting. So the body is fully metal. The roof here is plastic. It has rear view mirrors as well. All these things are in single piece. I'm not sure if we can remove this. I don't want to break it, but I'm a bit curious because it actually shakes a lot, as you can see. Okay, let it be. I don't want to break it. So even the logo detailing here, that looks really good for a change. So the body is fully metal. This piece is plastic. Chassis is plastic. And this part here, this is also plastic. Wheels are plastic. It does feel heavy though. So let's weigh this casting now. $40 grams. That is really good. Okay, let's see if it fits the track. Okay, it fits. Let's see if it rolls. Okay, it jumps off the track actually. Okay, it doesn't fit 100%. The wheel goes over, but it does roll really good. I mean, I can able to see it from here. Only if we had a bigger set of tracks, like wider tracks, it would roll really well. So yeah, it looks really good. Looks really nice as well. So let's rate this casting. So honestly, man, I don't have anything to point out here. So 10 out of 10. It's a good casting. It's a beautiful casting. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.